Do my head in, there's people walking through the woods with lights on. They're coming straight this way. What if I start doing wolf howls? Then that'll scare them. Like scary noises and all that. How we doing, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for clicking on the video. So, I'm in a beautiful pine forest. It's a forest I haven't been here before, I just saw it on Google Maps. So this is my first time here. So I've got my tarp, so I was just going to make a simple tarp shelter. But this forest, this is my first time here. And it's full of all these wee paths. And they all like cross over each other. And there's lots of dog walkers. So I'm trying to get off the path, but every time I get off the path I walk through the woods, I find another path and I'm like, ah. So now I'm just walking about aimlessly. Right, I don't know, but something's telling me, go that way. Go that way. Right. Larch pine trees. I don't know what it is with larch pine trees, but they always collect old man's beard or lichen. The lichen they must like larch. Collect this, good for starting a fire. Good tinder, it's nice and dry, takes a spark, very easy. So every time I pass and I see old man's beard, I just grab a handful. Right, I'm set up. It's not perfect, but it'll do. I went for this tarp configuration because a lot of dog walkers on that, I said earlier, so I want it quite low. Usually if I had my hammock would be high up, my tarp would be quite high. You could see the tarp from a distance, but I've put this quite low. So it's a tent configuration made by a 3x3 tarp, a Lomo tarp, it's not a DD, it's a Lomo. So there you go, and then inside it, I've got inside it plenty of space. Plenty of space. Somebody walked past earlier. I don't know if they've seen me, but I just turned around and I seen them walking past and they had two Labradors. Lula, I'd never seen them. I just kind of poked my head up and oh, there's people walking past. So that's why I wanted this low down to the ground. Well, it's not perfect, but it'll keep me dry, protect me from the wind, but it's not to rain, it's not to be windy, so I should be absolute fine. Right, I'll wait till it gets a wee bit darker before I start the fire. I've collected some twigs and then I'll go over there and there's a fallen down tree. I can cut some branches off, but I'm not going to start the fire now, it's still a bit early. So that's me, I'm just going to get the rest of my kit out of my bag, my sleeping mat, my ground sheet, and just get settled in for the night. Got my wool blanket. Wool blankets are great for camping because you can throw them about, they can drop on the floor, they can get dirty, and you don't need to worry about it, it's still going to keep you warm, still have their use. Wool has, when wool's wet, I think it's something like 80%, 90% of its insulation property, so it still keeps you warm when it's wet. So aye, wool's a good addition for the bushcrafter. There's people walking past. Well, that's my pillow, my camping pillow. I'll put this up first. Trichology. It's not a winter mat. I don't even have a winter sleeping bag. I've got a summer sleeping bag. So I hope that I stay warm, because I've got my summer sleeping bag, a summer sleeping pad. So I hope this is going to be enough. I think I'll be fine. This is what it looks like. Lula will just jump in with me and a wrapper and the wool blanket. She'll be sound. That's it. There's actually plenty of room. See, once you're in, there's plenty of room. You can get 2 people, easy. 2 people. 2 people shelter, no problem. Lovely. Ugh. So I just peel back the moss, just roll it up like a carpet, and then in the morning I can just roll it back down. Easy. Right, now I need soil. So I need a fallen down tree. Right, if you've watched my videos before, you know you come to the base of a root and you'll get proper soil because it's deep. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use the bag that my ground sheet came in, and I'm just going to fill it up. You know what I mean? That's it. I need to watch because that's where the path is. The path is right there. Oh, God's sake, there is somebody coming. Oh no. We're quite a distance away, so I'll get it done fast. And there we go. Right, let's get us back to camp. Look, it's pure sand. I think one bag will do. I think one bag will do, Lola. One bag will do. That'll do. There's still dog walkers. Take my head in, there's people walking through the woods with lights on. See them? Shush, Lola, shush. What if I start doing wolf howls? Then that'll scare them. Like scary noises and all that. Then that'll make them scared. they're coming straight this way. Shush, Lola. Not dog walkers, joggers. Joggers. Right, let's get this fire started. I'm just going to use cotton wool, get it started fast, get this on. Right, there we go. Get back in there. This stuff. See, that'll burn for a while because the Vaseline's on it. So you can take your time, get your kindling sorted. The quicker you put it on, the better. Oh, the smell of fire. Love it. I think we're cooking with gas now. So I've got all the wood, because all the wood's a bit wet, so I've just circled all the wood and let it dry, and then I'll put it on. There we go. A loose cannon, American IPA, 6%. Oh, lovely. That's lovely. A bit of a chilly one. I'm only in my summer sleeping bag. And I've got a wool blanket. It's 2 degrees. Oh, but it's 7:15, so I'm going to get up, pack up, get a coffee, get up. I'm quite chilly, so I can't go back to sleep. Right, let's get up. Right, coffee finished, pack up time, tidy up time and get out of here. It's about 7:10. There's a wee red squirrel jumping about. I've tried to capture it but too fast. Right, all tidied up, leave no trace. That's where the fire was, all clean. I've got my bag of rubbish, I'll take it with me. What is happening with my hair? What is this? Look at this. What's this all about, man? What the... See, because I had my tammy on and it all went flat. Oh. Right, anyway, see you later. I'm out of here, I need to walk that way. It was a good camp, chilled out one. That's the first time I've done that kind of shelter, TARP shelter. But it was a good one, so hope you liked it. I'll leave some more videos up if you are still watching the video this long. I'll leave a couple of videos up. Go click on them, and if you like it, give the channel a wee subscribe, leave a wee comment, and I'll get back to you. Right, cheers, I'm out.